मुंबई महानगर पालिका वर्चुअल क्लास की ओर से आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। बच्चों, वैश्विक महामारी के चलते इस वर्ष पठन पाठन का कार्यक्रम प्रभावित हो रहा है। ऐसे में हमारी बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका ने प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी तक ऑनलाइन शिक्षण पहुंचाने की व्यवस्था की है। तो आइए बच्चों, शुरू करते हैं। Standard second, yes, mathematics standard 2, subject mathematics, semi English. Students, today we will practice addition without carry over. Okay, addition without carry over. Right, students? So, see, students, myself C.S. Patel from Virtual Training Center, MCGM, Mumbai. Okay, students, so addition without carry over. Okay, students, so revision, addition of single digit numbers. Okay, students, we will practice. So keep in your mind, बच्चों हम बात करेंगे आज बिना हासिल वाले जोड़. Yes, so addition without carry over. Okay, students, now see units. See units. Okay, so now there are 4 units. There are 4 units. Okay, so keep in your mind, there are 4 units. So count them. Yes, and see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, keep in your mind. So we write them in the units place. We write them in units place. Okay, 2 are also units. 2 are also units. See, students, yes, see 1, 2. See the object 1, 2, and see the number here 2. Yes, 4 is here, 2 is here. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now, students, we write them 2 in the units place because 2 is also units. Okay, now students, yes, we are going to add. Yes, so on adding them we get 6 units. We get 6 units. Yes, so 4 units after adding 4 units plus 2 units, 4 units and 2 units, we get the answer 6. 6 units. Yes, 6 units. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so these are units. So yes, we get 6 units. So we write 6 in the units place. Okay, so we write 6 in the units place. Okay, students, so keep in your mind. Yes, so learn this once again. 4 units, we write them in unit place. 2 are also units. Okay, so we write them 2 in units place, and yes, on adding them we get 6 units. So we write 6 in the units place. Okay, keep in your mind. Now students, see further. Addition without carry over. Okay, revision. Okay, students, addition of single digit numbers. Okay, so we are practicing addition of single digit numbers. Now students, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Yes, 5 plus 3. See units 5 and 3 also unit. Okay, so 5 plus 3. Yes, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Yes, students, so students, we have learned, yes, addition by counting forward earlier. So students, with the help of that we can easily, yes, solve it. So 5 plus 3 यानी बच्चों 5 और 3 की बात करें, yes, तो बच्चों हमने इसके पहले अध्ययन किया हुआ है. यस, यानी जोड़ आगे गिनकर. सो यस, वी कैन इजिली डू. यस, सो 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So we write 8 in the units place. Yes, we write 8 in units place. Okay, so 8 is here, so keep in your mind. Right. Okay students, now see addition without carry over. Okay, so keep in mind addition of single digit numbers. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. Yes, now see the units. 6 and plus 2. So 6 plus 2. Yes students, yes, so we write 8 in the units place. Means 6, 7, 8 by counting forward. Yes, we can do easily 8. Yes, 7, 8. Yes, so we are adding 2. Okay, so students, see further. We will see few more examples. Yes, addition without carry over. Yes students, we are practicing addition of single digit numbers. 5 plus 4. See, 5 plus 4. Yes, so students, 5 plus 4. Okay, so 5 plus 4 students, yes, with the help of, yes, addition by counting forward. So students, after 5, yes, 6, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yes, we have to add 4. So what will you do? Yes, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yes, so answer is 9. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now students, so yes, so we write 9 in the units place. Okay, see another example. Okay, so we are learning addition without carry over. Yes, addition of single digit numbers. Okay students, now see 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. So see the units. Number 4 is here and 4. So 4 plus 4. What will you do students? Yes, so 4 plus 4. So yes, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, by counting forward you can do easily. Yes, so our answer is 8. Yes, so our answer is 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So our answer is 8. Yes, so we write 8 in the units place. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now see another example. Addition without carry over. Yes, we are practicing addition of single digit numbers. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. Yes, so 3 plus 6. Yes students, we know the rules. So yes, by counting forward, what will you do? Yes, so 3 plus 6, what will you do? So yes, we will go ahead. Yes, 4, 5. Means students, what will you do? Use yes rules. Yes, so 3 plus 6 means students, add 3 in this number. Means yes, so count further. 7, 8 and 9. Yes, so by counting forward, yes, 6 plus 3. Yes, we will get the answer 9. Okay, so keep in your mind. 3 plus 6 is equal to 6 plus 3. We know the rules. Yes students, we have learned. Yes students, fun with addition. Yes bachcho. Okay, now 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So keep in your mind, right? So we write 9 in the units place. Now students, see further. Yes, addition without carryover. See students, said 23 plus 12 is equal to what? See students, said 23 plus 12. Now students, see here, units, tens. See, units, tens. See 23. Okay students, see 23, number 23. Okay students, now see matchsticks. See here, tens. So if I say about tens, 2 tens. See two tens here. Yes, in 1 10 we see 10. So 2 tens here. 2 tens here. Yes, so keep in your mind 2 tens. 1 10 is equal to 10 and 2 tens is equal to 20. Okay, so it's 23. 3 units here. 1, 2, 3. Yes, see units. Unit is here. So it's 23. It's 23. Its number is 23. How can you say it's 23? Yes, you can say because 2 tens. 2 tens means 20 and 3 units means 3. So 23. 23. Yes, you can see here 1 10, 2 tens. Yes, 20 here and 21, 22 and 23. Okay, keep in your mind. Now students, see further. So 2 tens, 3 units. 2 tens, 3 units. Keep in your mind 2 tens, 3 units. Okay, so 12 here, right? 12 here means 110 and 2. Okay, 110 and 2. Okay, so yes, you are seeing it. See the help of object. Yes, 110 and 2 units. 110 and 2 units, right? And see students, 110 and 2 units. 110 and 2 units. So add students, yes, add this. See here, add this 2 and add this 2. Okay students, so yes, what will we get? Yes, 23 plus 12. 23 plus 12. We get 35. We get 35. Okay students, and see here in the objects, yes, we get the same 35 means 3 units here and 2 units here. So 3 units and 2 units, 5 units. 1 tens, 2 tens and 1 tens here. So 3 tens here. So yes, 3 tens and 35. 3 tens and 35. And see students, see here. See here. Yes, see here. Yes, 3 units, 2 units, 5 units. 3 units plus 2 units, 5 units. 2 tens, 1 tens is equal to 3 tens. So yes, 3 tens and 5 units. 3 tens and 5 units. 3 tens and 5 units. Yes, so yes, you are seeing 3 tens and 5 units. 3 tens and 5 units. 3 tens and 5 units. Yes. So students, practice it again and again. तो बच्चों इसे आप खूब प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, आपका अभ्यास अच्छा हो जाएगा. Okay. Now students, we will see further. Yes, we are practicing addition without carryover. Okay, now see students, another example. See students, yes, 2 tens. Yes, 2 tens and see the units. Yes, 1 tens, 2 tens and units 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, keep in your mind. So 2 tens, 4 units. Yes, 2 tens, 4 units. plus, yes, plus 1 tens and units 1, 2, 3. Yes, so 110 and 3 units. So students, 2 tens plus 4 units, 2 tens 4 units and plus 1 tens 3 units. 110 3 units. Okay students, so what will get answer? Okay, so 2 tens 4 units, 110 3 units. Okay, see students, yes, so 4 units 3 units 7 units and 2 tens 110 is equal to 3 tens. So answer is 3 tens and 7 units. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now students, addition without carryover we are practicing. Yes, now we'll practice few more examples. Yes, units tens. 23, yes, plus 32. 23 plus 32. Yes students, see here, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So 55 is our answer. Yes, 55 is our answer. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now let's see further addition without carryover. Units tens. Okay, it's 24. Okay, and plus 3. 24 plus 3. So yes students, you can easily do. Yes, 4 3. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. Yes, we add units in units. Okay, so 4 plus 3. Yes, 7 and 2 here tens. So yes, you can use by forwarding method. Yes, counting forward you can easily do 24 plus 3. Yes, 25, 26, 27. So answer is 27. Okay students, so answer is 27. Now students, see few more examples. Yes, units tens. 12 and 36. Yes, so 12 plus 36. 12 plus 36. So see students, unit 2 unit. So count units first. 2 units plus 6 units. Yes, 2 units plus 6 units. Yes students, 6, 7, 8. Yes, by counting forward you will get 8. In units you will get 8. Yes, 8. So 8 units. And in tens, 1 tens, 1 10 and 3 tens. So 1 plus 3 or 3 plus 1 by counting forward. Yes, 3 1 4 you can easily do. So 4 is your answer, means 4 tens. So 4 tens and 8 units means 48. So 48 is your answer. Means students, if we add 12 plus 36 we get the answer 48. Okay, so keep in your mind. Okay students, now see further. See few more examples. Yes, now 36. It's 36 plus 53. Yes students, so see the unit 6 plus 3. Yes, by counting forward. Yes, 7 8 9. Yes, you can easily do, right? So at unit place you will get 9. And in tens students, 3 plus 5. See here, 3 plus 5. So counting forward, 6 7 8. So yes, 5 is here, 6 7 8. 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5. Yes, we will get the same answer, means 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So 8 tens here and students, 9 units here. So the number is 89. The number is 89. So yes, we will read number 89. 36 plus 53 is equal to 89. Okay students, it's easy. Okay students, so see, at last we'll practice, yes, once again, addition without carry over. Okay, see the units, tens, 47, it's 47. Okay students, so it's 47, yes, and you have to add 41. You have to add 41. So 47 plus 41. Yes students, so by using the method counting forward, yes students, 7 here, and yes, go further, 1, 8, 7, 1, 8. Yes, so students, you can get easily 8. So 47 plus 41, so 8 here. At units place, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. And tens, 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. Yes, by counting forward. Yes, 5. So 4 plus 4 means you have to add, yes, 4. Counting forward. So read 4, then 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so add 4 numbers, right? So yes, you will get 8 by counting forward. So 47 plus 41 is equal to 88. So number is 88. Okay students, so yes students, so students, practice again and again. Okay students, so yes, addition without carry over. So students, we have practiced, work hard. Okay students,
बच्चों, बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका के इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लीजिए। तो बच्चों, हम उम्मीद करते हैं यहाँ तक आपने समझ लिया है। आगे फिर मिलेंगे। आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू वेरी मच।